What's going on, everybody? It's a Creative Fro checking back in for another episode of Fireside Tech. I hope you enjoyed your week and are ready to learn something new, because today we're going to be reviewing the RAGE3 Gimbal. Now, if you didn't see, this past Wednesday we posted a video going over why you need a gimbal in 2019. So if you have yet to see that video, pause this video and go check that out so you can be up to speed and be prepared for this review. Before I dive into today's review, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button if you have yet to already, and also turn that notification bell on just for fun. If you decide to purchase the EVO RAGE3 gimbal, here's what you will receive inside the box. The payload range for this gimbal holds up from anywhere from 1 pound all the way up to 7 pounds. When the gimbal is properly stabilized and the batteries are fully charged, it has a runtime up to 18 hours. The gimbal itself weighs 2 pounds, and it comes equipped with three 3.7 volt lithium ion batteries. The RAGE3 provides electronic and mechanical drive options for multi-level follow focus and camera control. The mechanical EVO Pro Focus drive system is included. With Canon cameras, you'll be able to control the ISO, shutter speed, and aperture by using the quick dial knob on the gimbal. The active OLED display allows you to make quick setting adjustments to the RAGE3 gimbal, see your current stabilization mode, and monitor your wireless connections and battery life in real time. The RAGE3 comes equipped with a quick release plate. You can quickly and easily make balance adjustments on the fly with the spring-loaded clock index knobs. No tools, no hassles. Most camera setups and lens swaps can be quickly balanced and ready to shoot in just a few minutes. The Pro Focus drive is powerful enough to run with heavy cine lenses, yet virtually silent with no audio interference. With this gimbal, you'll have multiple stabilization modes. POV mode will move with you and roll your camera left or right up to 45 degrees. Lock mode locks the movement of all 3 axes to keep the camera fixed on a shooting direction. Full follow, the camera pans and tilts following the movement of the stabilizer. Pan follow, the camera pans left, right, following the movement of the stabilizer while tilt axes are locked. Also, if you decide to go with this gimbal, you'll be able to download the EVO Gimbals app from the App Store. If you're having any slight imperfections with your gimbal, you'll be able to fix it inside the app. Also, you can control the gimbal with the tool as well, so it has some pretty cool features you should check out if you do get the chance to do so. A quick little pro tip when using a gimbal for extra smooth footage: try doing a ninja walk. When doing the ninja walk, keep in mind you're trying to go heel to toe as smooth as possible with trying to make the camera not jump up and down in between steps. So don't forget ninja walk for that smooth footage. So since we went over the specs, modes, and features of this gimbal, now it's time to put it to the test. I'll go out and gather some footage and put together a little B-roll segment here so everyone can see the power that this gimbal holds. Let the B-roll commence. So there's the RAGE3 gimbal review. I hope everybody enjoyed today's review, and if you'd like to see more reviews in the future, please let us know in the comments down below, and like this video if you did, and also share this video if you think it could help anybody. I hope you enjoy your upcoming week and crush it. I can't wait to see you next Sunday in front of this fire again. It's a Creative Fro, and I'm out.